Gattu's new watch. Gattu loved wristwatches and very often he used to try his papa's wristwatch. One morning, Gattu was wearing his papa's watch and observing it. Gattu dear, have you seen my watch today? I have to leave for office and watch is nowhere to be seen.
Oh yes, Papa. Here it is. I was just trying it.
Oh, Gattu, it seems like you love wearing watches.
Yes, Papa. I love wearing them very much.
Then tell me, Gattu, what kinds of watches do you like? Gattu told Papa about many types of models of watches, and it was a surprise to his Papa that Gattu had such a good knowledge about the watches. Alright, Gattu. I have decided that I will buy you a new watch. Gattu was over the moon after hearing this. Then Papa left for the office. But Gattu was so full of happiness and was excited about his new watch, he rushed to give the good news to his mummy and Chinky that he is getting a new watch.
Wow, Gattu. We are so glad to hear that. But have you decided which type of watch you want to buy? Oh no, Mummy. I haven't given a thought yet. So, Gattu, you have to think quickly because in the evening you and Papa will be going to buy a watch.
So Gattu started doing research and saw different types of watches. And that's not it. He asked his many friends about what kind of watch he should buy. He spent all day and it was evening. But Gattu hadn't decided which watch he wanted. After some time, Papa came home. Gattu dear, let's go and get you a new watch.
But Papa, I haven't decided yet that which watch should I buy.
So what, Gattu? Let's go to the shop and there we can decide about it.
Now you can also order your favorite Gattu Chinky's favorite toys from our website. Link is in the description.
So Gattu and Papa went to a shop and there they started looking at different types of watches. Gattu, look at this. What do you think about it? Its dial is so attractive.
Papa, you're right about the dial. But I didn't like the strap at all.
Alright then, what about this?
Papa, its color combination is not so good.
Even after 1 hour, Gattu and Papa weren't able to decide which watch they wanted to buy. Gattu dear, I'm really very tired now. Have you selected the watch that you want to buy?
No, Papa. I have no idea what to buy.
Gattu and his Papa both were very upset. But then a shop manager came to help them and asked them what was the issue. Sir, you don't have to worry about it at all. Our shop is organizing a lucky draw. So why don't you guys give it a try? And who knows, you might win a watch in that lucky draw. Papa and Gattu liked the idea and both of them participated in the lucky draw. Okay, Gattu dear, all the best.
Thank you, Papa.
Gattu won a very nice watch in that lucky draw. Along with it, he also got a 50% discount on the watch. He really loved that watch. Gattu dear, you really like this watch, don't you?
Yes, Papa. The color, dial, strap and all the other things of this watch are perfect. I really love this watch.
Then Papa and Gattu went home after buying the watch. And Gattu happily showed his watch to Chinky and their mummy. And then Gattu ran down to show his watch to his friends from their society. After some time, he returned home.
Chinky, I'm really worried about my watch. Gattu, what happened? Chinky, I want to keep my watch very carefully. I don't want even a single scratch on it. Well, Gattu, I think you should prepare the box for it so that when you are not wearing your watch, you can keep it in the box carefully. Wow, Chinky, it's a nice idea.
Then Gattu prepared a small box using cardboard. And then he filled the box with cotton. And then he carefully kept the watch in the box. He kept the box holding the watch in their cupboard.
What is this, Gattu? Why have you kept your watch with so much security? Mummy, I don't want even a single scratch on my watch. That's why I'm keeping it very safe.
Mummy laughed at Gattu's words and then she went to finish her chores. It continued for many days. Gattu would use his new watch on very few occasions, but most of the time he would keep it carefully. Papa didn't understand why Gattu is being like this, so one day he asked Gattu, Gattu dear, I am observing from many days that you don't wear your new watch very much but take care of it most of the time. It's not the right thing to do.
Why, Papa? I don't want my new watch to get any type of damage and hence I keep it carefully.
But Gattu, if you are not going to wear it, then what was the point of buying it in the first place? Do you remember when Chinky got a new doctor said that she kept carefully too? She never used it and it got spoiled because the toys were rusted because she never used them.
Yes, Papa, you are right about that. Yes, Kattu, you have to listen to Papa. Wear your watch and take care of it. And if any problem occurs, then we will get it repaired. Just don't keep it in the cupboard. Use it carefully. Alright, Mummy, from now on, I will wear my watch every day and will take care of it so it won't have any problem.
And so after that, Gattu started wearing his favorite watch daily.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe.